I guess in a way is a good sign because it means that people are prepped. And they're prepped for this. We've got some heavy snowfall coming into western Illinois, and this heavy snowfall is going to make a wide band from New Mexico all the way up to about New York, and it's swooping through Chicago here in the next 24 hours, the heaviest snowfall. I expect to see later this evening, sometime around or after 9 o'clock and continuing till about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. So it does come in the overnight hours. The snowfall will start well before that. In fact, I'm expecting the snowfall to start here in Chicago somewhere in the neighborhood of 3. That's when the blizzard warning kicks off, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. South of Interstate 80, Grundy, LaSalle, into Livingston and Kankakee counties, Ford, Iroquois counties, all under a blizzard warning at 11 o'clock this morning. And with that blizzard warning, whiteout conditions, dangerous travel, especially in those counties I just mentioned, in some of the open territory, some of the open turf, possible power outages with some higher winds. Now the winds could gust 45, 50 miles per hour along the lakeshore. Probably a little bit less than that inland away from the lake, but nonetheless, blowing and drifting is going to be a problem as we take you through the next 24 hours, especially with that heavy snowfall. And on top of the blowing and the drifting and the heavy snowfall, I mentioned the snowfall rates, which, if we experience some thunder snow, could produce snowfall rates 2-3 inches. It's not unheard of to have snowfall rates of 4 inches an hour with thunder snow. Now, if you see anything around 3 and 4 inches, we are just going to get buried with conditions like that. This is Futurecast. Take us all the way through 9:30 tomorrow morning, and you start to see, we're talking about lake effect snow or lake effect moisture feeding back into this. At this point, the winds are coming in from this direction off the lake, and you see some heavy bands setting up from Milwaukee all the way back down to around Danville. So there will be some more lake effect snow coming in. So even when the main body of the storm system is here over Pittsburgh, it's still spinning winds back our direction. We'll still be seeing the backwash of that storm system through much of the morning and into the afternoon, even tomorrow, guys.
All right, Mark, thank you. And if tomorrow you have plans to kind of leave the car at home and take a cab, listen to this. If you're looking for a cab tomorrow, you can expect to have a hard time finding a ride. We're talking with a couple of cab companies.